Amazing kitchen hack from a Pakistani mom. Follow for more. Best life hack to clean iron by Pakistani mom. Follow for more hacks. Pakistani mom made this dish for vegetarians. Follow for more desi recipes. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Use wooden spoon to prevent spilling. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Best way to store for long. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Easiest way to remove chicken smell? Follow for more hacks. Try this Pakistani street food. Follow for more. Desi way to make yogurt in winters. Follow for more desi recipes. Must try this if you have nothing to eat. Follow for more. Best and easiest way to cut pomegranate. Follow for more. Kitchen hacks. Pakistani mom made this noodle pizza. Follow for more desi recipes. Pakistani mom. Home remedy. Drink this to reduce body pain. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack.
एक पल विच साबार करां.
Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack. Use pomegranate peel to make mouthwash. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Remove smell from jar. Add water soaked newspaper for 8 to 10 hours. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Add detergent in boiling water. Follow for more. The best lunch for weight loss. Follow for more. How to revive a decaying flower. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. How to remove bitterness. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack. Add boric acid to store rice. Follow for more. Pakistani mom made this coconut milk. Follow for more Desi recipes. Easiest 5 minutes cupcake recipe.
Talking to them.
Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up.
Follow for more dessert recipes. Only Pakistani moms can do this. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack. How to sharp kitchen scissors. Follow for more. Kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack for lentils. Follow for more. Pakistani mom kitchen hack for lentils. Follow for you. Best home remedy for weight loss. Follow for more. Best home remedy for weight gain. Follow for more. Useful kitchen hack by Pakistani moms. Follow for more. Another amazing kitchen hack. Follow for more. Crazy kitchen hack by Pakistani mom. Follow for more. Another kitchen hack I bet you didn't know. Follow for more. Another amazing kitchen hack. And now you know. Another kitchen hack I bet you didn't know. Follow for more. Only Desi Pakistani moms do this. Desi method to make yogurt at home. Follow for more Desi recipes.